Hi crypto kings and queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi, and we can see that the market on BTC and Ethereum is heading to the upside, which is wonderful. We're gonna go through BTC, Ethereum and see where we're heading, and I will also go through some of the coins that I was looking at on yesterday's live stream just to see what's happening on them too. If you're looking for a platform to trade the market on right now, you can on Bybit get a bonus up to 30k by using the link in the description down below the video. On this platform you have so many pairs for you to be able to trade. If you're just looking to the left right here, you can see multiples. I'm not sure which one of them is your favorite coin to trade. Please let me know, because some of the coins have some really good market structure. For example, Link, I know, have a fantastic market structure. If you cannot find the links, you have a video right here where you see exactly on how to get it. And don't forget to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I have these daily updates or when I'm going on the live stream. I wasn't able to do a live stream today because of technical issues with my Wi-Fi, so this is the reason why I am updating you with another video. But let us see what's happening right now on BTC. BTC is heading to the upside at the moment. We are reaching one of the levels that I spoke about earlier today, around 27,300. We are heading up to the higher time frames Fibonacci levels. If we are continuing up to 27,535, this is a zone that we're looking at right now when it comes to BTC. But make sure to look at the reversal zones that I've been talking about. I do believe that we will continue to have some more momentum happening. But in between these levels that we're touching right now, 27,280, even up to 28,375, around these levels, we can expect the market to reverse down. But we do have some great big momentum happening, which is really good. We've been talking about this. When it comes to Ethereum, we have the exact same thing as I covered on the last video that I was talking about. So the first level that I do believe that we will continue up to is 1,675. Looking at the lower time frames, we are continuing to have some bullish momentum. We start to see some exhaustion right here. You see on the 1 hourly, we start to have some wicks. We are testing a previous resistance at 1,666 going back in time. This is a previous resistance zone that we have, so don't be surprised now after this momentum that we can see the market pull back down a little bit. Of course, if the market does break down and we have a big momentum below the trend line once again, then of course we're looking for more bearish momentum. But remember, we can also drop down and retest the trend line. I don't think that will happen, but we never know for sure, right? But expect a little pullback after this big momentum. But for myself, I strongly believe that we will continue up to higher targets. Let us go and see what we were talking about yesterday when it comes to front. I did talk about this level down here at around 0.3180 that we could have a potential drop down to. We have seen that almost happening right now. If the market have the power to break above 4,200 or 4,300 and you see a retest from above, then most likely this can be another push that we have. But remember that after these big momentums up, we usually see the drop. But look at the previous resistance around 4,300 and see what the market is doing around this level. When we are looking at Loom, we saw how the market dropped down precisely to one of the Fibonacci levels that I did have. This was a Fibonacci level based on a previous high and a previous low, but we can always use these Fibonacci levels in the future, and you can see how perfectly we dropped down to 11,900. Going down to the lower time frames, let me just see on the higher time frames. We are testing another resistance zone right here around 13,170. So we'll see if the market's gonna have the power to break above this level. If it doesn't, we can potentially see. If it does, remember that we can also push back up and retest 14,615. And if you start to see a lot of rejection, remember that this can also be where we see the market drop down once again from. Looking at MKR, the market just did continue to higher targets going to the 4 hourly. We are expecting the market already to come to 1,600. Looking at the daily candlesticks right now, yeah, I strongly believe that this will be the next level. And from this resistance that we did have, this is exactly what we've been talking about. We only had a quick little retest down here a couple of days ago on the 26th. Market had this big momentum. We also saw that we retested this. I'm not sure exactly when I spoke about this, but this was yesterday. So we saw a quick retest of the previous resistance. I think I was looking at this a little bit later, but we can see how the market does continue with small high highs and high lows. So definitely I do expect a test at 1,600, and from that level we can also see the market drop down. If you have any other coins that you want me to look at, make sure to write that in the comment section down below the video. And if you want to follow someone that is amazing and so good when it comes to altcoins, you have to follow Altcoin John. He is amazing. He is talking about PEPE most of the time. He is an expert when it comes to PEPE. I know a lot of people ask on my live stream about that pair, so you have the expert in here. I will leave the link in the description down below the video for John, and he is going on daily live streams too. He does live in the US, so he's going on a little bit later on than I do. So here you go. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notifications so you know when I'm live or when I do have my daily updates. I wish everyone a fantastic day.